Welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add subtitles in Filmora 13, a quick and easy way to boost your video's accessibility and viewer engagement. Now, let's get started. First, make sure your media file is already placed on the timeline. This is important because Filmora needs a video clip to work with before subtitles can be generated. Next, right-click on the video clip you want to add subtitles to. This will open a menu with several editing options. From the menu, choose the Speech to Text option. This feature is designed to convert your audio into readable subtitles automatically. A settings window will now appear. For most cases, the default settings work just fine, so there's no need to change anything here. Click OK to confirm your settings and move forward. This tells Filmora to begin analyzing your video's audio. Now, wait a few moments as Filmora processes your audio and generates subtitles. The time it takes may vary in privacy section. It's usually found by scrolling down the menu. Once subtitles are created, take a moment to review them. You can edit any part that needs correction to ensure your subtitles are accurate. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.